Is your computer running slow? Before you think about buying a new one, try this quick trick that can free up your PC's resources in less than a minute. First, open Task Manager. Once it's open, go to the Processes tab. Here you'll see every app and background process currently running on your computer, along with how much CPU, memory, disk, and other resources they're using. Take a look for programs using a lot of resources that you aren't actually using right now. For example, maybe you left a game launcher open, a browser with dozens of tabs, or another application running in the background. If you're sure you don't need it, select the program and click End Task. This can instantly free up system resources and make your computer feel more responsive. But here's an important warning. Don't end Windows system processes unless you know exactly what they do. Many of them are essential for Windows to run properly. Ending the wrong process can cause apps to crash or even make your system unstable. There's one more thing you should check. Open the Startup Apps tab. This shows the programs that automatically launch every time you start your computer. If you see apps you don't need launching at startup, right-click them and choose Disable. Fewer startup apps means faster boot times and less memory being used in the background. This won't magically turn an old computer into a brand new one, but if your PC is slow because too many programs are running, this simple trick can make a noticeable difference. If you found this helpful, hit follow for more quick Windows tips and computer tricks.